Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report, and today is Tuesday, April 12th, 2022. We have a lot of exciting things going on, a lot of volatility. Want to remind you guys that we now have the NASDAQ NQ minis. We started, I guess it's about 9 weeks ago. And that was a 6-week free trial before then. And I want to show you guys what's going on with the NASDAQ. You can see the dates in purple here, and then 5 waves down for 1 down and 2 up. And the target and actual dates, target and actual, these are pretty close to direct hits here. We just started covering it in February, so we couldn't have gotten direct hits back here, but we're getting them, okay? So we've got that 329, which was a minus 3 trading days and 5 calendar days from the April 3rd turn date. So that's what we're looking at in the NASDAQ. I want to get into E-mini S&Ps here, okay? From the April 8th high, you can see a 1 down, 2 up, and a 3 down. And I want to start you guys with our pre-market open report. Actually, it was an email at 4:30 a.m. Central Time, and the futures had reached that low of 43.82 overnight, so we wanted to give the upward retracement targets and keep note of that 44.67. That's the Fibonacci 618. So here we are at midnight when that low was reached, and I put out that thing at 4 in the morning around here, and there is the wave 4 target right there, 44.67. 25, and it hit within a half a point. Okay, that was our Fibonacci 618 right there. Okay, so customers had that, newsletter customers had that at 4 in the morning, and this happened at 9:50 Eastern, which would be 8:50 Central. So after that hit in the morning, I want to show you guys chronologically, put out a midday report. Don't know if I have the exact time on that, but that shows our direct hit earlier in the day, and we wanted to give our newsletter subscribers, there's the details, the next target, and it's right here, 43.75. That's what we're looking for the wave up, okay? So if we go back here, so we're looking for, I'm sorry, the wave down. So we look here, and what do we have? 43.75, 75 target, and a 43.75.50 actual, which happened right before the close. So back here, we called a 70-plus point rise to within a half a point, and subsequently gave our subscribers the 91-point low. That's a huge move, 70 up, 90 low. Our customers, newsletter subscribers, had this number in advance, and then they had this number in advance, okay? So I'm not always going to be what ends up being 99.2% accurate, but you can see our actuals and our targets, and they've been going on for quite some time here, okay? So while I'm not going to be right all the times I'm right are going to far outweigh those when I'm not, and you'll be able to make profits or protect yourself during downturns in the market. We're giving these numbers in advance, and upside and downside, and huge swings intraday. I don't know, what could you do with this information? If someone told me that somebody was doing this, I wouldn't believe them. Okay, it's just like, yeah, right. But it's actually happening, and you don't need to take my word for it. But we got a new one in today from Hunter, who had previously told us in February he turned 25K into 89K. Well, now he's got 131K. And he wanted me to share this. I don't know him at all, just looking at his email. He wanted me to share this. He prefers the intraday scalping, which I do. He says when you go in swing trade, that's where it's easier to get trapped in a losing trade. Okay, so here he says if you share it, I highly recommend everyone keep track of their trades. And then he shows his trades, which I think this picture will show it better. Okay, and there's all his trades. I can scroll down and up. But you can see he's trading 1 and 2 contracts. I don't give specific trading advice. I give Fibonacci targets as far as retracements and multiples and make or breaks, and people make their own trades based on my numbers. It's just math, and I'm reporting the math. The math's going to be accurate because 2 plus 2 is always 4. You can't change it to 3 or 5. There's his trades there. I'll scroll through these other things here. They love the intraday reports. You can see right there because that's what we're doing. We're giving them the targets in advance, and they're hitting them. Okay, there's the earlier one where he made 89K and then 112K. I'll just scroll through here really quick. You got validation and confirmation, upside and downside. If it goes past this number, then it's going to go further that way. If it goes past the other numbers, then it's going to go that way. So we know these numbers in advance, and customers have been able to take advantage of that information in advance. Okay, I'll scroll through these rather quickly here. Okay, you guys get the idea. Some of you are going back to February. A guy here trading 25 years, great benefits. You get the picture. Okay, let me get to the end of that. 6,000 in a day. Okay, let me get one more pictures. There we go. 7K profit. All that. Okay, so let's get back to the S&P here real quick. Okay, I'm sorry, the ES. All right, so that's what we're looking at there. All right, we hit that high, then we hit that low. So what do we have coming up? Here's our retracement targets of, let's see if I can get that all in one screen there. Okay, so here we have a 1 down, a 2 up, a 3 down, and that's overlapping a little bit there, a 4 up, and a 5 down, which makes a larger 1. Here's our wave 2 targets. It can't retrace more than 100%, so that 45.1975 is the make or break for that. Okay, a move below here brings in the lower targets that our monthly subscribers already have. Okay, so this could extend. It's not definitely over, but if it is, these are the targets we're looking for to the upside. Like I said, the subscribers to the monthly report have the downside targets. Okay, so that's the ES. I want to get some picks in here to kind of review things. Okay, here was that target and actual. That was April 12th, 11:28 a.m. Okay, let's see what else we have here for review. It might be the same one, is it? Yeah, it is. Okay, so here's the whole thing in review. There's the 5 waves down to today's low within less than a point. After we got the less than a point up, and there's the upside targets. If this is the low, it's a nice, convenient Fibonacci relationship, so we expect that to go up. By the way, we're looking for 5 up, 3 down, and 5 up. Maybe I can, I don't know if I can actually show that, but we're going to look for, here, I'll show you guys basically what we're going to be looking for. We're looking for an A up, a B down, and a C up. Maybe I can get the lines in there. Don't know, I haven't put them in a long time, and there we go. Okay, so we're looking for A up, B down, and C up to one of these targets, and this should be 5 up, 3 down, and 5 up if this low holds. Okay, that's it for, oh, one other important thing. Friday's a Good Friday. It's a holiday. Usually futures are open, but they're not. I checked. They're closed all day. So the market's going to close Thursday. The futures will at 4 p.m. Central and open on Sunday at 5 p.m. Central. Okay, and we have a turn date coming up on Friday. So we might expect, if this low holds, that turn date would happen on Thursday and mark a high. That'd be a nice move. However, if this thing breaks down, see, we have our triggers here. If this thing breaks down, then we have our lower targets. Okay, that's it for today. Until next time, take care, everyone.